Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very purified collection of very beautiful bracelets for you, and I hope you like this beautiful fashion video also. So guys, as you can see that these bracelets are made with pure beads and pure pearls, so don't skip this video. These bracelets are handmade, so you can make in your homes also, so please don't skip this video, and I'm requesting that please watch this beautiful video till the end. Guys, it's a very attractive and a very beautiful collection of my channel. So if you are interested or you're enjoying this beautiful video, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it also. So guys, I hope you're interested or you're enjoying this video also. So guys, if you're enjoying and you're interested in this beautiful video, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much for liking and for supporting my channel. And I hope that next time you may like these videos too, and you are interested, you're enjoying this video also. So guys, if you want to see any other fashion video, as I've told you before in my previous videos, that if you want to see any other fashion video, you can just tell me in the comment box. So please, I'm requesting that comment me in the comment box if you are interested in this video or not. And if you want to see any other fashion video, just tell me in the comment box. So inshallah, next time I'll bring the exact fashion for you. And guys, please, thank you so much guys for supporting and for liking and sharing my channel, Best Jewel Collection. And in my channel, as you can see that I'm telling the such very beautiful and very different collection, very fashionable videos and very attractive jewelry accessory items that you can wear anywhere and anytime, because these type of bracelets or these jewelry accessories are for casual wears also and also for party wear. So whatever you want, it's depend on you and it's depend on your mood. So I'm just advising you and I'm just telling you that what you want you can do in your life also. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much for liking and sharing my channel. And please, if you want to see my uploads earlier, and if you want to see more about fashion accessories and more about fashion ideas, so please press the bell icon to see my uploads earlier. And I hope you are interested and you are enjoying this beautiful video also. So guys, as you can see that these type of bracelets are made with pure materials, so you can make them at your home also. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family also, and remember me in your special and beautiful prayers. And okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye guys, see you soon inshallah.